Hello, I'm Kim from Master Spas, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to drain your swim spa. Master Spas recommends draining your swim spa every 6 months. However, if you're working harder to keep your chemicals balanced or the water has lost its clarity, you may need to drain it sooner. Are you ready to get started? Let's get to it. Remember, turn off the power to your swim spa before draining. There are a couple of ways that you can drain your swim spa. You can use a sump pump or a garden hose to siphon out the water. For this project, you are going to need a sump pump, garden hose, shop vac, and microfiber cloth. A swim spa can have 1,000 to 2,000 gallons of water. A sump pump is going to be the most efficient way to drain your swim spa. Connect the hose to the sump pump and carefully lower it into the bottom of the spa, taking care not to damage the spa shell. Run the discharge end of the hose to a desired location away from your spa. Plug the pump into a grounded outlet and let it flow. But don't run off. You need to stick close to the spa when using a sump pump. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy some good old relaxation. Once the pump has stopped removing water, you'll want to turn it off and disconnect it. The last method to draining your spa is siphoning. Just use your garden hose and gravity to get the water out. This method is nice because it's simple and doesn't require close monitoring like a sump pump. Draining your swim spa is the perfect opportunity to clean the interior. Use a shop vac to remove any remaining pockets of water. A microfiber cloth is helpful for wiping down the acrylic and cleaning any areas that need it. That's it. Your swim spa is now ready for fresh, clean water. We hope this guide helped. Be sure to check out our other videos on filling your spa and balancing the chemicals. If you still have more questions, you can always reference your owner's manual or go to masterspas.com/resources. And until next time, relax. It's Master Spas.